Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. So guess what? I'm not in the Turks and Caicos Islands now, and I'm in Jamaica. And I'm basically by my grandmother. What I plan to do is just clean out this area, and I'm going to plant this area with um, predominantly planting and put in a few bananas in there. I'm going to clean up those as well. Um, that is basically a lychee tree that I planted. You hear that sound? That is cricket in the bushes. So Munji is going to bring some plantain and banana suckers for me. He's going to help me dig holes and plant them. Yeah, like we are going to do the work now. So I'm going to just pause the video here and I'm going to clean up this area. So this is what it looks like, right? And I have my machete and I have a file that I found, and I'm going to try and sharpen it to the best of my of what the file can do, because the file is very whole. And I'm going to just clean this section right here, right? Yeah, people, guess what? Guess what? So right now I'm tired, right? A long time I no build whole heap of grass, right? You understand? Look at me dress up in a me farming thing. You see? Look there. Eh? My water boot. See that? The little piece that I do so far. I try brush it down as low as possible. You understand? But see, I will it me have left to do. See there? Good there. You see that? So I go on a surprise. You know? My regular thing this one, actually a long time I don't do it. Right? So yeah, get at it again. Alright people, see it here now. Munji carry the first set of plantain sucker them come. See them there? Plantain. See mama there? That have my grandmother. Right. And I don't know if you can see him. See one man there go up there, so me zoom up it quick. When he come back, in gone for one next bag of plantain and banana. But see him there? I walk and go up. Munji that. If you remember from some other videos, how him bunny coal. Right? Munji bunny coal. So right. So that we have so far for plant. So I no joke thing. So I'm going back for some more, right? And you know what we are gonna do to is we are go show no how him dig plant hole and banana as well. So I'm gonna show me how him dig and how him set the plant them in it. Right? Him give you an example right there so. So at this me I saw me there so far. I saw me there so far. So me I go on. Right? So I finish it before and come back. Right, so soon come again. Alright, yeah. See what I go on the people. Yeah. They don't in the back, they don't there so. Plant now sitting there reach them there again. See Munji yeah. You remember Munji with the coal skill? Yeah. I am this. So Munji I go show me how to dig the hole them. Right? He must show me how him dig plant hole. So I could see where I'm going. Soil are rich Munji.
Yes, a chunk side.
Strong.
Chunk and for me.
Yeah.
Back of the concrete.
Mm.
For me when the chunks are done now.
So when you plant in this, you don't need to get no 30.
No, no 30.
No 30.
30 food.
Strong.
Weak.
Mm.
Weak out. No
Oh,
poison.
fertilizer make it weak out.
Yes.
Burn
No
out the soil.
Yes, no poison, no 30. I climb it here now solid in.
Yeah.
I said something I go do for me first.
Right.
Solid. Today, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Monday now, can't put in nothing. They catch up of this bracket.
Okay.
Strong soil man.
Strong man, look on the color. Full of organic matter. Full of this and that. Strong.
No need no 30.
No need no 30. Yeah. Topsoil, nice. Yes, people, so we are dig So this we either plant or banana can plant now them, not you Munji?
Banana plant anything.
Yeah. Yeah, so I saw you dig a hole. So we are making done and see what go on. So right now in gone about one fork down, not so Munji? But one fork down in gone.
Say soil rich?
Soil rich man. Rich. Soil rich. Yeah, we're gone. So it look like you might go down about one nice 2 feet. Two fork broke down. Right, so see you hole there. That's about 2 feet down. So you want see one
Now cover him up.
Okay.
Let's make him drain.
Making drain.
Yes, I am that.
So you set it.
Yes, I do.
So where you say Munji? Today and tomorrow planting day for planting them.
Yes, banana and plant.
So where moon I say now? The moon.
You climb it alright. Yeah, but you can't plant Monday.
You can't plant Monday.
Time now. Half of the moon, you know. When the banana them shoot, and some big ever bounce just hang down so.
Half a moon.
Yes, half of the moon. You climb it.
So a half a moon there now?
No, the moon fully and
The full, so what kind of banana will you get? Them are go bigger? Them are bigger?
Yes, I saw the hand them. I saw the hand them are go broad. No like that, you know. You see the banana them when we plant, half of the moon said we so? This can't even quarter, not even inch. No, me not have that one there. No, me not have that one there.
Yeah man, so people as you can see, that's how we are digging hole them. So one fork length apart, right? To give them enough space to grow. See them there? Munjia. See mama ya. See them say night I come have it done chop. Me I done chop it this evening. This evening me I done. You hear me say Munji? This evening me I done chop it. See what me have left there? See me there down there, so me I come. Quick time. Yes, all over this our bill. This evening. See that kind of place cooler, you know. I'm get into it. Where you say G, me can't done Billy out this evening. Alright. Where you say Munji, me can't done it? Alright, Munji say me can't done it, Mama say me can't done it.
You go and go, then look
yeah.
Time.
Me I go start right now. See the people me have that round there so left. So me the down there so. So we are bet. Munji say me can't do it, Mama say me can't do it. We are go deal with it now. So me come back. Alright people. At night now.
You never did have that plan.
At night now and see Mama there.
You never did have that plan, but that's
see Munji there, you can see him. So guess what? Remember say Mama did say me nah go done bill. Munji did say me go done bill. Guess what? It done. The place kinda dark, but I soon show you all them, but I show you say me done bill. See it there? And that's why Munji over there, so I dig hole, cause me done. Hey Munji, me done bill Munji?
Yeah.
Yes. Mama, me done bill?
Yes, man.
Eh?
Yes.
Say it now?
Yes.
Okay. See it there people? We done. And see it there? Munji dig off, almost dig off the whole hole them already. See them there? See it there? See it there? We are got through. We are finished. See it there? Whole. See them?
One of them have one iron.
Yeah.
So me just right out there, so me just reach side here.
Yeah man.
Yes.
I mean, see there? See there people? Hello everyone, welcome back. So the rain is falling. This is a quick check-in. Remember I told you that I would have showed you what the place look like in the morning. So remember the first part of the video I showed you how it look. This is how it look now. Right, but what happened is that I should have planted these suckers from morning, but I'm just able to come outside because of the rain. As you can see, look in the holes. I came out this morning and dropped them, saying that I would come back and plant them about an hour after, but soon after the rain started to fall, and as you can see, the holes are, some of the holes are filled. So what I've done, I've planted some already, right? One is there, one is there, one is there, one is there. So when the hole is filled with water like this, when you put the soil in, the soil basically absorbs the water that is inside, right? So it doesn't look flood it again. Alright everyone, so we finish. We finish plant the plantain sucker, see it there? So this take less than a day. Maybe like about 10 hours. 10-11 hours to do. Cause even though we start yesterday, I will come in at today. We never start like if early yesterday, we start late. And then I just know in the evening I get to come out. Come really plant the sucker them and dig up the more hole for plant the cocoa them, right? Thank you for being a part of the journey from start to finish of establishing this a small garden, plantain and pine and cocoa garden. And we have cassava too, right? And we have a little mint there so too. Oh, and we have guava tree there so, right? Guava tree there so, full of guava. Neesberry tree there so, right? People, me telling you, watch out. Mango tree, jelly tree, right? Lychee tree. So one mango tree there so, 13 type mango, the sweetest mango in Jamaica. So one long tree there in the middle, right there so. Also again, I'm be planting a ribena. Ribena, one source of tree there behind it. Right? One guinea tree there behind there so. 2 guinea tree on there so. One star fruit tree. Hey, let me talk here because fruits galore. Anyway, bye bye.